Good morning everyone, I am Joymercy. Today I would like to discuss about the basics of molecular biology. Lot of researches have been done to find out the genetic material. What was the genetic material? They have done so much of researches and they found that DNA is a genetic material in most of the organisms. So DNA, if we see, it is a deoxyribonucleic acid. So if we take an organism contains a number of cells, and in that number of cells we find nucleus as well as chromatin material. These chromatin material contains to form chromosomes, and in chromosomes we see thousands of genes, and these genes are made up of DNA. DNA is a double-stranded structure, and if we see that in this DNA we find DNA nucleotides. At the length of the DNA is determined by the nucleotides only. So let's find out what are nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are two types. They are DNA and RNA. RNA is ribonucleic acid and it is single-stranded, but DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid and it is double-stranded helical structure. So the length of nucleotides are determined, and these nucleotides are nothing but pentose sugar, nitrogenous base and phosphate. This pentose sugar is a monosaccharide with 5 carbon atoms, and in this sugar, in RNA ribose sugar, and in DNA deoxyribose sugar. And in case of phosphate group, we see that phosphate group as well as the sugar, pentose sugar, they both combine to form the backbone structure. And this phosphate group is an inorganic salt of phosphorus. Next one is nitrogenous base. What is nitrogenous base? This is a nitrogen containing compound with the properties of a base. These bases are two types. They are purines and pyrimidines. What are purines? Purines are nothing but it is a double ring structure. Pyrimidines are single ring structure. So purines are heterocyclic, aromatic, organic compound. Heterocyclic is a compound in which it is a cyclic compound as well as it has two different atoms, and aromatic is it has alternate single and double bond structures. So it is a heterocyclic, aromatic and organic compound. Next one, these examples are adenine and guanine. In case of pyrimidines, we see that examples are cytosine, thymine and uracil. Thymine is found only in DNA and uracil is found only in RNA. And this thymine and uracil and cytosine are examples of pyrimidine. Pyrimidine is a single ring and it is a 6-membered ring, and purines is a 9-membered ring. Thank you.